Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Where is Brittany. I know it's been a while since you've last seen me, so let's catch you up on what's happened since we've last spoken. What you see is our empty 2-bedroom, 2-bath on 31 July. Yes, I'm taking you guys all the way back, so let's get into it. We started our full-time adventure here in an empty field that gave off hardcore desert vibes. If you're new, that's my husband Andrew, our pug Buddha, and this is Jada, the guard dog, protecting us from a group of horses she swore wanted to do us harm. Be good girl, Jada baby. They nothing but cute little horses. This looks like a Lisa Frank. Shut up. Good boy, Buddha. After camping here for the night, we realized we needed to find a spot with less animals and water access, so we packed up and made our way to Lake Pyramid. I took the lead in the Mini with the lashes and drove with the dogs because the Cooper is our only vehicle with AC, and at the time, Reno was tiptoeing its way to 100 degrees. And just like that, our front yard turned into a lake with clear, fresh water. You swimming, Jada baby? Good girl, Jada.
What are we thinking? You're gonna be muddy in the bus. Yes, you are. Jada, leave it.
Hey, that's me. Hi friends, just wanted to add my face to this video. Oh, and there's the porta potty too. We stayed at this spot for 2 days and decided to move on and search for cooler temperatures. We decided to make our way to Wyoming, and along the route, we found ourselves sleeping at a castle for the night. The next morning, we got back on the road and stumbled upon this hidden gem that was way off the beaten path. We literally are just going to park. It's okay, buddy. We gonna just park right here so nobody can come up behind us. We set up camp with the intent of staying a couple of nights, but our plans quickly changed when the smoke from the wildfires blew in. After breakfast, thanks Judith for the Omnia, we decided it was time to pack up and continue our journey for Wyoming. Along the route, I noticed a gas station that offered free potable water, so we decided to pull off and top off our water supply. And as you can see, the air is filled with smoke, so we picked the perfect time to leave. The remainder of this video is me filling water. I wanted to include the full video and not just a clip to show how it really is. Water seriously is a hot commodity, and I've learned to take the freebies whenever I can. So with that, thank you all for watching, and make sure you hit the notification bell to ensure you're alerted when the next video drops. We will have arrived in Wyoming. Bye, friends.